Today we are going to do a snack crate today.
You're not going to snack
and
the
it's a
TV?
small one. So what do you think it's from?
I don't know. Where do you think it's from?
I think it's like from the desert or something.
The desert? It's not a country. What countries are in the desert?
Arizona has a desert.
I can't remember.
Best guess.
What's your, where do you want it to be from?
Like somewhere that they have like fancy stuff.
Fancy stuff? Like where?
Like, I don't know any countries.
You will soon enough. Alright, you ready to reveal it? Dun dun dun. You gotta show it to the camera though, sign it. Dun dun dun. It's from Japan!
That's fancy.
That's
She
fancy.
said that's fancy.
See? It's a little pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's sushi guys' towers.
The sushi guys. I can't. Sit down.
And the cat. It's like a
I want to keep the sticker.
You always want to
Give me something.
Brock, I remember which ones I already get.
Didn't you lose one of the stickers?
Okay.
Or were you going to say something?
I saw this kind of like thing, and it said it tastes salty because from Hobby Kids TV they had this kind.
Wow.
It's pizza. It's pizza kind, so maybe it tastes good.
Alright, let's lay them out and you guys can give a hypothesis of which ones you think is going to taste the best. Okay? Okay, so first we're going to try the drink, which is, it doesn't come with every package. This is a drink upcharge. It costs like $6.
And it looks like blue. It's
kind of blue.
I'm shaking for this one.
it's
And
like
then
blue.
these are the first 5 we're going to try. This purple one is called Burumuchi.
And
Try to say it.
Burumuchi.
Okay, and then there's Pocky pizza flavored, and then Pocky green tea cream flavor. Yeah, and then there's this
Fish.
one which is called Puku Puku Thai chocolate fish. Say it.
Buka Buka Thai chocolate fish.
Say it.
It's gonna be chocolate.
What is it again?
It's Puku Puku Thai chocolate fish.
Puku Puku Thai chocolate.
That.
And then this one is Happy Nikuyu. I am so sorry for my freaking language.
And mom.
Hold on. Let me try again. Happy Nikuyu.
Can I see it?
And I
You know you're gonna read the description.
No, I'm not going to read this.
Try to say it. Happy Nikuyu.
Spell it.
Happy Nikuyu.
Happy Nikuku.
You see?
Happy Nikukyu.
Nikuyu.
Nikukyu.
Alright, and the soda is called. Hold on.
It's ramen soda.
Yeah, Ramen soda. Alright, first tell me what y'all think the soda's gonna taste like.
Well, I don't know because I don't know what ramen is.
Let's get a shot of it.
I think.
What we're talking about.
I
Put it right
think.
here. Still not in the shot. Okay. What flavor we got?
Ramen.
Ramen? That's the flavor? Okay. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
I think it's gonna taste like blueberry kind.
Blueberry?
Yeah.
You?
I have no idea. I literally have no idea. I don't think it's gonna taste like a fruit.
No?
But the name of this reminds me of that episode of Aricelyz.
Rampu!
Rampu!
I think these two kinds are gonna taste good because they look pretty yummy, and I like them.
Okay, so you're talking about the puru mochi.
And these
Oh, mochi,
things
I heard
are
is good.
little cute little paws.
Alright, hold on, Sally. You're skipping ahead. Alright. So, You got, what do you think the soda was going to taste like?
I don't know.
Blueberry.
Blueberry? All right. It says, this beverage is very popular in Japan, where it becomes in a variety of unusual flavors and is sealed with a marble. Cool, huh?
It's weird to open it. Look, I'll show you.
Okay.
Can we open it now?
Yeah, you can open it, but let's go on to the next product.
Give me
What
that.
you think this is
We
going to
need that.
taste like?
What do you think that's gonna taste like?
Grapes, of course.
Grapes? You?
Grapes. It has grapes on it.
All right.
Like mochi.
I don't know what that is. Grape flavor mochi.
Mochi.
Yes, grape flavor mochi is a traditional Japanese
Watch this.
rice cake made of pounding rice into paste and molding it into a shape. So it's like Rice Crispy, I believe. I don't know.
Now watch this. It's pretty cool. You get like this part, and you put it here, and you do it like really hard. That's how you open it.
Whoa,
That is so cool.
That's a cool.
Yeah.
But you can't
Close up.
close it.
We need a close up, Celly.
That's
You get the marble. Your fingers in the way.
The marble just went down into the soda.
Yeah, 'cause
That
it's
is
filled
so
with the
cool.
marble. You want to try it first?
I'll try it.
So you couldn't even stick a straw in there even if you wanted to?
I think so. I think you could. Tastes good?
Try it.
It tastes yummy.
Yummy. Does it taste similar to anything that you know? No? Undescribable?
It just tastes like,
Tastes like cola champagne.
it tastes
Everything
like-
tastes like cola champagne. If you're Hispanic, you know what we mean. Give it a thumbs up if you know what we're talking about.
Now my mommy has to try.
It tastes like watered down cola champagne.
Yep.
It literally does. Wait, I want to.
It does taste like watered down
Look
cola
at the
champagne.
marble.
Hmm?
Look at the marble.
Yeah, it's not gonna come out.
Alright, so what do you think these two are gonna taste like?
Touch the marble.
Celly's.
You're weird.
Well, I think this one's gonna taste like pizza. I don't know about that
Clearly.
pizza. That looks weird.
And this one?
I think it's gonna taste like seaweed.
Seaweed. And what do you think, Julie?
Well, I know that this one's pizza and this one's tea. It's green tea.
Alright.
I never tried this one personally. I've only ever tried the chocolate one and the strawberry one.
Alright.
Never tried the green
Okay.
You guys want to hear the description? A smooth green tea cream wrapped around a tasty crispy cookie biscuit stick. Light and refreshing.
That was a lot. Crispy cookie, Bixie.
Yes. And the pizza one with flavors of a hearty pizza baked right in pizza pretz. It's a snack like no other. Quite simply, it tastes just like pizza.
This kind of.
And then we have these two.
I think this is mochi as well. This is mochi. Really
I
same.
feel it.
Uh-huh. So the puku puku Thai chocolate fish description. Obviously it's chocolate. Rich
Yeah.
chocolate wafer cookie in the shape of a fish.
It is a chocolate waffle cookie. It feels like it.
Okay.
Feels like a chocolate
What do you think that one tastes like? The one with the kitty cat on it. The one I can't pronounce. Julie could.
Mochi.
No, the other one. Nikukuyu.
Nikukyu.
Nikukuyu. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
a marshmallow because it's squishy.
And you?
I think it's gonna taste like I think it's gonna taste like strawberry.
Alright. It says these gummy candies are shaped like little cat paws, as sweet as they are flavorful.
Right here. Oh,
Alright.
Now we're gonna
Let's
open-
unpackage. Oh, it's recording the whole time.
now this is how it looks. How this looks. It looks like a cube.
That's these.
No.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
No? That's these.
Yeah.
No.
These are little.
Yes.
They're going to taste like grape. And these are the.
What does it smell like? What do you think it tastes like?
I think it smells like passion fruit.
I smell like
Or
those
guava.
apricot wings, like the rings.
This is how and the back.
It smells like apricot.
And then the green tea pocky sticks got stuck
No,
together.
you know those peach circles?
That's what I'm talking about.
Those.
I was saying apricot rings, but they're peach circles, right? But there's some, And then
And this
these
is
are
the
supposed to
pizza.
look like paws.
These are the pizza ones.
Mm-hmm.
It's more
Now
better than
explain
the other.
explain this.
Yes, they got all stuck together when it got shipped. So I froze it because it said to put it in the freezer for a while. Oh my god.
Oh my
So yeah.
gosh. Don't ever make.
This is
don't-
what this one looks like. This came from here. These are the pizza Pocky sticks, and this one's the
Don't
green tea one.
Don't ever make your snack crate be in the freezer for 3 days.
It wasn't in the freezer for 3 days. It was in the fridge, and they told me to.
Alright, so which one are we trying first?
This one, because I want to get it away.
Oh, I forgot. This is the fish one.
There's
It's
chocolate
like literally
inside.
a waffle cookie. This is what it looks like in actual
And there's
fish.
gonna be chocolate inside.
Yes. So I'm gonna break it now.
This is how they
Oh, this is what it looks like on the inside. That's pretty cool.
That's my piece.
You just gutted the fish.
Your fish.
You want the eye?
Yes.
Mommy!
Fun fact: Celly's is afraid of fishes.
It's what?
Celly is afraid of fish.
When I was little, I used to be terrified of fish.
All right, everybody try the green tea one. Your block of Pocky. What y'all think?
That's good.
It's good, huh?
But I like tea, so.
They kind of taste like chocolate.
Kind of tastes like chocolate.
What
You
does
think
it
it's like
taste-
that on like tea?
What does it taste
Like
like?
very,
tea?
very creamy tea.
Hmm.
These are kind of
Like if you got green tea and put.
I like the green color. All right, everybody try the pizza Pocky.
It's a pretz.
Pretzel.
No, pretz.
Pretz. All right.
hot.
Ooh, I like these.
These are kind of hot.
I'll eat this every day of my life.
Let's go.
All right.
Oh Lord, that's good.
All right, keep going.
Don't drink it all. I want some too.
Now let's try this.
The paws, the kitty paws,
Okay, I'm gonna eat the marshmallow first.
and go.
Sorry, I was still chewing the pizza.
We were right. Tastes like peach rings.
It does.
We have something similar to like that in America. They're called peach rings. The gas station.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's exactly like a peach ring.
This
Exactly
is how
like
it
it.
looks like inside. It's kind of red.
All right, now try your chocolate fish. Or those little thingies.
Red?
Do we even try these? Yeah, let's try these. The gummy things.
Oh, I already tried the fish.
Okay.
Try the fish. Oh my god, it's weird. It kind of tastes like a waffle cone with chocolate,
Mm-hmm.
but the waffle, like the cracker part, is kind of weird. Maybe it's just because I have the pizza thing before.
Tastes just like a waffle cookie. It's a Nutella in it. Right? Nutella? All right. Now this.
The mochi.
The mochi mochi. Puru mochi.
Why do you say it like that?
I don't know. I'm trying to be Japanese.
That's offensive.
Didn't mean to offend anybody.
I can't open it. Somebody help me.
Can you put this in your mouth? She whispered it to me. Nasty. Alright, ready?
Yeah. 1, 2,
I
You
think
put
it's
another
gonna-
piece of the
I think
waffle in
it's
your
gonna,
mouth?
Like, be the texture of
2,
guava.
3.
Put sugar on it. And go! The whole thing in your mouth, Celly's.
Oh, I don't think I like
I was waiting for you guys. I do want to watch it now. I was holding it a long time in my mouth.
I think it's just because I don't like artificial grape or the texture. I like the texture
Okay.
in the beginning.
And you,
But once you
Celly's?
get to the middle, it's like gelatinous.
It tastes like grapes.
Did you like it?
Oh, geez.
All right, let's start rating. Now, what would you rate this one, the drink?
A 10. It tastes good.
Yeah, I like that.
All right. Now, what would you rate the pizza pocky?
10, girl. That was good. I could eat that all day.
Come on, Celly's.
A 4.
A 4?
4? You didn't like it?
Tastes pretty weird.
Tastes just like pizza pretzels. Oh, she don't like pretzels.
That's very good.
All right, and the green tea pocky?
I really like that. I like all that.
An 8.
An 8? All right, now what would you rate the one I cannot pronounce?
6.
10.
I give that a 6 too.
Like mediocre.
Everything. I would give everything a 10 except this, which I would give it a 6. This, I would rate it a 2. I did not like this. And you? What would you rate the squares?
A 10. It's good.
And
I rate it a 4. Like, I like the initial texture of it, but then it turns like gelatinous, and I didn't like the texture of it, and I don't really like grape. Even if it was another flavor.
All right, let's go in order. So 10. Everybody 10. Pocky's 10.
This one, 10.
The green tea 10. The pizza, you gave it a 8. And you?
10. I'm still eating it.
Okay. This was a 6. And what was it for you? A 10? And we all thought this was a 10. These were really good.
Oh no, I said 8 for that.
Well, I give that a 10.
I mean, it just tastes like a peach ring. It's like nothing new to me, you know?
Yeah. Alrighty. This right here we're trying, and this product. So these are all the same product. There's another product. Okay? And this right here is called, ready to repeat? Mabo.
Spell it.
Say it.
Spell it.
UMAIBO.
U-M.
Mao. Mao. I think they pronounce. Sorry for our pronunciation, people, in advance. And then this product is called Puncho Ball.
So,
What do you think the Puncho Ball is gonna taste
I
like?
think it's gum.
You think it's gum? Celly's?
peanuts.
I'm talking about this one.
Oh. I think it's gonna taste like.
Either gum or jelly beans. That's what I think.
What do you think?
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Gum or jelly beans.
It says crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle with a crisp texture. These candies are seriously addictive. We gonna see.
We gonna see, bro.
Okay.
Does it?
And then the other one, these cute things. They have really good
They're
pictures.
really cute packaging.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one.
So stop trying
They
to-
have different flavors, obviously. I get it in focus.
Tap the screen.
There we go. And the last one right here. So obviously, that's pizza flavor. We'll give that one to Celly's. And the description to that one. Well, I don't know. Okay, what do you think this one's gonna taste like?
Like pizza. I think it's gonna be like a crackery type texture.
Pizza, right?
Like a
And
crumble.
this one, just by the look of it, what do you guys think? Chicken?
Or donuts. Because I see
Oh no, wait,
donuts.
because he's holding like a rice cake.
I think this is gonna. Oh no! The camera fell.
It's okay.
I think this one's gonna taste like.
We're on that one.
I wish I knew Japanese.
Come on, come on,
I
come
think
on.
either like chicken or rice, because he's holding a bowl of rice.
Interesting. And you?
I think it's gonna taste like chicken or like.
Okay, maybe Sally should guess first.
Yes. What do you think this one's gonna taste like?
A burger.
I think it's gonna taste like McDonald's.
Very interesting.
Because look at him.
I like your hypothesis. Haha.
Smile.
I sound so
Oh wait,
Hispanic.
it's teriyaki too.
McDonald's.
Like teriyaki burger.
Teriyaki burger. Sally's?
A teriyaki burger.
Celly, what you think this one tastes like? Let me just show you the picture. That's what they're basing it off of. Maybe it's spicy because it's red.
That's what I was just thinking. Because there's like people fighting
Or running in terror.
Yeah.
What does it say?
We don't know. All right, come on. What you think it's gonna taste like?
I think this one's gonna be spicy because people are fighting on it.
Okay.
I feel like if you put something spicy in your mouth, you want to punch something.
All right, so this one's going to be pizza. This one's going to be rice or beans. And then this one, y'all thought it was teriyaki burger, and this one's spicy. You didn't even give her the description. What do you think it's gonna taste like, for real?
Spicy.
Okay. Dun dun dun. All right. So first, we're gonna try these. This is the pizza one that we
It really does look like
thought
pizza.
it looked like. They look very different. So let me just get it out the way and show you guys how different they look.
This one looks
This
like
one.
it taste of chicken noodle soup.
Yes, it smells like it too. And then this one,
It
which
looks
rolled
like
over.
it's like kind of
They look different. You see, this one looks totally different, and they're very, very lightweight. Very, very. It's like you're holding air. And these are the ones that came in this package.
They're really soft inside and hard.
Oh, that's what the description says. I did not say the description for these because they're all different flavors. And I want everybody's reaction.
So we eat
Okay.
little things now?
No, we're gonna.
No.
In case they're gross. These are the ones that are supposed to be addictive. So let's leave that for last. All right, Celly, take a bite.
Go ahead, so let's go first.
I'm going to try the teriyaki one. All right, Celly, pizza.
The one goes first.
Go, Celly.
That's your channel. Bite it. You didn't even take a big bite. I'm
Hey,
scared.
you got the pizza one.
It smells like a corn nut.
Eat it.
It smells
All right,
spicy.
ready?
Eat it.
Bite it. This is good? Spicy? Not like we predicted.
What does it taste like?
Just like a corn
This
nut.
smells just like teriyaki, just to let y'all know. I'm going to bite it. Ready? You're not going to get my reaction.
Smells like a corn. It tastes like a corn chip.
I'm gonna taste this one now. Really does look like.
Man, we really hyped it up.
Go, Celly, go for it.
You don't like that one?
Kind of tastes like soup when it's dried up.
Soup when it's dried up. Really tried to describe it.
I thought it tastes like a corn chip.
All right.
Let me try.
Let Celly try that one.
It's not spicy at all. It tastes
Now
like
you
chip.
try this one. Try this
Oh, that smells like,
Ugh.
you know when you have
It does
ramen?
taste like a corn chip, but I don't like corn. You try it.
You know when you
one. She
have
does not
ramen?
like corn.
That's it.
You know when
This
you
is
have
how-
ramen and you open up the flavor packet? That's what this smells like.
Yes, exactly. That's
Like,
what I thought
literal.
too. Yes. The pizza one wasn't that bad.
You try it.
You're trying the. Which one you trying?
I like that one better than this one.
Which one was that one?
This one is the one, the guy with the rice.
Okay. We guys got to put it
I
back
just
in
think
order. Just
This
to
one
let you
has
know.
like a sweet undertone to it that I'm not a big fan of.
Which one was
Can I
this
try
one?
the pizza one?
The teriyaki one.
Am I not gonna like this?
If you like, I probably not. You don't like beef ramen, right?
I do.
That's what it tastes like, but in sauce form. Like you got a gulp of it in your mouth. It's strong. Strong teriyaki. I feel like you have teriyaki sauce in your mouth. They overdid it with the teriyaki flavor. That's what I feel like it.
I don't like
Now
that.
we are
Me either. I don't like that one. And I love teriyaki flavor.
That one made me sad.
This one I didn't get to try. It just tastes like you take your finger and put it in the chicken bourlon of the ramen and then eat it. Lick it. The pizza was good.
Do you like the pizza? Which one's the best?
Yeah, that one's good.
I like the
Honestly,
pizza
I
best.
like that one the best.
Which one's the best, mommy?
This one's the best.
Yeah, it is.
That's why they're fighting on the package. They're fighting for it. And then
I love it so much.
the pizza. Then this one. Then I guess the teriyaki one, the one I got, was the worst one.
I agree with.
Now we are going to try this.
I would basically rate it like this:
I won't. I don't.
5, 6, 7, 8. Not one of them getting a 10 or a 9.
2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, let's try the little ones, the ones that are
Okay.
addictive. Ready?
1,
2, 3.
I don't want to put both of them in the mouth.
They're really hard,
Yeah, I didn't even try.
like a
them.
jawbreaker at first.
It kind of tastes like soda.
Will it break?
Mine is soft.
Truly.
Three. They have like 5 years old.
Check out for it.
It tastes like floor cleaner.
What you think?
Kind of tastes like soda.
Soda or floor cleaner?
It tastes like I could put these in the tank of my toilet and it will turn the toilet blue. The toilet water blue.
Kind of tastes like lemon lime jawbreaker. Kind of tastes like a stale lemon head.
No, it doesn't. I eat lemon heads all the time.
Tastes like a stale lemon head.
I don't like it. I give that a 3.
I give it a 5. It's not good. It's not bad.
I give it a 10. It's yummy.
Okay.
Okay. I like your spirit.
All right, round 3. Chocolate round. Dun dun dun. Make a chocolate face. Make a chocolate face. Okay, the description for these 4 sticks is going to be revealed. Ready? The flavors were, it says, this delicious stick. Celly's, listen.
It's all gone.
It says, these delicious stick is a puffed corn snack available in many flavors. We've included 4: pizza, teriyaki, squid,
Is that the one we like the most?
and curry.
Was the squid one the one we liked the most?
I'm guessing this one, obviously. This one was pizza.
Uh-huh.
No.
Wait, hold
I
on.
think this
That one was
probably-
pizza.
No, I think this one was curry.
We already know this one was the teriyaki one. This one was curry.
This must be.
You liked it, the squid one.
That's gross.
Just call me Squidward.
Squidward.
Oh, it is Squid. Look. He's right there.
Wait, oh my god. Me and you both liked it, the squid one.
I liked it.
Me too.
Maybe I need to try squid.
Put their flavors in order. It'd be squid, pizza,
It was squid, pizza.
curry, and teriyaki.
I did not like the curry or the teriyaki.
My order is like this.
Say it.
Pizza. I can't remember this one. Is it teriyaki?
No, it's curry.
That one's
No, it's
teriyaki.
teriyaki.
Okay.
I can't know. This one is kind
Curry.
of like the curry, and this one people fighting for it.
Squid.
Squid. I do not like squid.
I liked it.
Hey, you said, oh, it tastes good, but I just don't like corn.
It was not corn,
They're all
honey.
made from corn.
It tastes good a little.
It said it was a corn puff stick. They're all corn.
It's good.
Okay, on 3, ready? Say squid. 1, 2, 3.
Squid!
Pizza
The next thing we're gonna try
is
something
Kit Kat
shiny.
chocolates.
Is the Kit Kat. It comes this like that. Let's start one.
Do you guys know how to say Kit
And then
Kat
this. Fun fact: they know how to say Kit Kat in Japan.
In Japan.
Japanese.
Kitukato.
Kit Kat?
You guys are so
I
smart.
think these ones are gonna be.
I think
How'd you get so
I think
smart?
that might be slightly off though, but it's something like Kitukato.
I think they're gonna
Kit
be
Kat.
gum. This one's maybe.
Did you
gonna
just
be
add an
gum.
M at the end?
Kit Kat.
Kitukato.
Kit Kat.
Kit
Kitty cat.
Kitty
Kitty
cat.
cat. Kitty cat.
Okay. What you think the gum's gonna taste like?
Green apple.
Apple.
Okay, and these?
One of them's gonna taste like tea.
One of them is
I
gonna taste
I
like
think
kinda
that
like
one's strawberry, and those
Dark
are dark
chocolate?
chocolate. I think.
Dark chocolate. and
Okay.
same.
And that one? The long one? Long one. No,
Chocolate,
Kitty cat.
chocolate.
I'm not sure. Maybe one of them.
Keep
is,
it right here.
As Celly's would say, seaweed.
Seaweed.
Yeah,
And this one?
I think that's the tea. I think that's green tea.
Okay, so tea, strawberry,
dark chocolate.
dark chocolate, and seaweed. And this, which I think
Green
is
apple.
green
Green
apple.
apple gum.
Let's see who's right. Dun dun dun. Description. So, high chew apple, soft, chewy candy that tastes like sweet green apple. So wrong.
Mamba.
It is not. It is taffy.
It's Japanese
It's
mamba.
taffy.
It's not gum.
It's mamba. That's what
Okay,
it
it's mamba. We have something like that
And they all
in
have Kit Kat.
in the U.S. Yeah, we have it over here
is. I know,
too.
but it's like Puerto Rican. I think.
No, you're
It's
wrong.
Hispanic
It's
mamba.
I see it all the time at gas stations.
Really, I only see that on like
All the time I see them.
those weird like ice cream trucks that only come around like once a month. That's the only time I ever see.
I've
them.
seen it all the time. Okay, let's
They'd
see
be
the
like,
Kit
"Hey,
Kat.
kids, do you want to buy some mamba?"
Okay. Okay, the Kit Kat description says Kit Kats in Japan are offered in over 250 different flavors.
That's fucking amazing. I mean,
That is amazing. We've included a sampling of our favorites. So we do not know the flavors. We gonna find out.
Oh, they didn't say.
No, they didn't say.
All right, let's.
This should be
eat the
interesting.
knuckles.
We'll be back when we unwrap.
These look not pleasing on this plate.
Okay, just to let y'all know, it did melt. So that's why I had it in the fridge. They did tell me a note that I had to put it in the fridge because it's summertime. Okay, people. This is the
chewy one.
the high chew green apple.
This
This is the one they thought that was obviously the dark chocolate. This one was the strawberry one.
Green tea.
This one's the green tea, and this one is the seaweed one.
But it's probably
That's
not-
our hypothesis, though.
it's probably
Mine looks
not
so
seaweed,
pretty.
Which one do you want to
though.
try?
All right, let's
first?
go. I'm trying the green tea one first because it looks good.
Okay.
This is the green tea one.
I love the green tea flavor. Oh, that's good.
What would you rate that Kit Kat?
10. I like this better than a regular Kit Kat.
8.
10.
Really? I would eat this way more.
It's
often
only
than
because
a blue.
I love the white Kit Kat. Nothing would ever beat that. Even the tea one.
I think that's better.
Now let's try
I'm a
that.
white chocolate fanatic.
1, 2, 3.
Don't even let me swallow.
This is the one we thought would taste like seaweed.
I didn't know what it would taste like, honestly.
Honestly, it does taste like seaweed. I think we're right about that one.
I give it a 10.
I don't know, but I liked it.
You like it? I give that one a 7. The other one was better. The tea one was better.
The tea one was slightly better.
Yeah. Let's try this poo looking
I think
one.
this one has more of an organic taste.
Yeah, right on.
1,
What I think too.
I think it's like a 9.
3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
This weird cacao one.
This kind of tastes like the mix.
Dark chocolate.
Like, it kind of tastes like...
Definitely dark chocolate.
Honestly, though, it doesn't taste bad.
Okay, so
Usually, I don't like dark chocolate.
It kind of tastes like how you make chocolate milks, but the thing that you make it with, it kind of tastes like that.
Oh, the powder. You're talking about.
It kind of tastes
like hot cocoa powder. Like if you were to dip your finger in it. Yeah, that's exactly what it best describe it. All right, let's try the strawberry looking one. 2, 3.
Dark chocolate, I would give it a 7.
I give it a 10.
I give it a 6. I don't like dark chocolate.
I normally don't.
I give it a 10.
I give this one a 4.
I give it a 2. I do not like that.
It had a weird ting in it, right? Did you feel that?
Yeah, I don't like that.
You?
Can I have this green one? I like the green things. Green means good.
Not easy.
Sai Sai.
Now we're going to eat this one. Let's see again. Whoa, guys, look, it's stretchy.
Tata. Go to
Ew,
Tata.
don't play with it.
Okay, ready? The high chew green apple. Ready? 1. Grab it. 2,
I know, yeah.
3. I went real confident. Put it all in my mouth.
At 10, it's yummy.
It tastes like how you would expect.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of the elasticity is kind of like gum.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't like that part.
It's kind of like chewing gum, green apple gum.
Yeah.
It's not like a Starburst. A Starburst breaks down better. This is gum.
I think it's gum too.
No,
I think
it's
this
not.
is gum.
It's not. I tried to do the bubble, it's not gum.
No, it's candy. They just call it high chew. You gotta chew it a lot. I gotta look at it.
It's getting really stuck in my teeth. I don't really like it much. I mean, it's good.
The flavor's good.
But it's good. I don't like.
If you like to chew a lot, it's be good for you. I highly recommend. All right.
I give the flavor a 10.
Okay.
The texture a 5, 4, 4.5.
So,
That's only because you don't like chewy things.
Yeah, I don't like them.
comment down below what you think is more better.
All right. Let's do an overview. Which one was your favorite? Top 3.
Go ahead.
This one. Oh. And I have 4 of them.
You have 4. All right. Tell me the 4.
This one, this one, this one, and
So the high chew, the grape squares, the kitty paws, and what was the 4th one?
That blue thing.
Oh, the addictive balls.
Yeah.
Okay. I just got that. Okay, and that one. And Julissa?
My top 3 were definitely the pizza Pocky. I mean, Pretz. The Pretz. The green tea Kit Kat. The green tea Pocky. Yeah.
That was
those
4.
three.
That was 4.
No, I said this, the
Mhm.
green tea Kit Kat, and the green tea Pocky.
It's hard to get you and your items at the
I'm
same
sorry.
time.
This, the, not that one. Yeah, this one. This green Kit Kat
Uh-huh.
and the green Pocky.
Okay. So Nonia would have the drink in the top?
Oh yeah, I really like that, but I would prefer a cola champagne.
Yeah, me too. Right on. So it wouldn't make my top list either. My top were definitely, where is that? The kitty cats. Only because it's like home for me. I grew up eating those. The Pocky. Both of the Pockies were really, really good. So that's 2 of them.
These top 3. There you go.
Yep. All right. Which one did you guys think was the most shocking? Culture shock.
Culture.
Like the one that most surprised you. You never seen anything like that.
Definitely these 6. But the one that the taste surprised me the most was this, the mochi.
That's what I think too. The
This
mochi was the most shocking.
This one was shocking.
This one, the squid thing, was the most shocking, more than the squid.
I think it was
because it was squid, and I'm deathly afraid of squid. And if I knew if it was squid, I probably would have never eaten it. But I liked it. So these 2 are the top 2, but this one's more of anything. I like this one, which is with squid, and I dislike this one, which was grape. Got anything to put in there? Input?
Taking these home.
Yeah, right. They're going in my tummy.
I gotta eat them first.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Please subscribe.
And make sure to comment down below
Which one you would like to
which
try?
one would you like to try. or if you don't like them, try it.
Okay. Everybody say 1, 2, 3, Japan. 1,
2, 3, Japan.
You did not say it with